kauban SBD priest, ni Padre Mar, mga religious community, friends, closest friends, relatives and family members, mayong hapon kanaton tanan. Ako di ay si Leia de la Piasa, Leia Alingasa de la Piasa. Apo ko sa survivor karon nga igsuon ni Padre Mar, si Socorro Alingasa. Puhi, 100 years old. Celebrating her birthday last November 27. I have known Padre Mar to be a strict, disciplined, and organized man. Time is very important to him. Whenever he requested something from me, it should be on time. Padre Mar is a human being, and being a man is not perfect. Nakahilak sad ko adto niya, but dili ka compensate ang legacy and memories he left for us. He is our always servant, officiating priest every time we celebrate our Sagrada Familia. Every last week of December, I always find time. Akong gigaghinan ang tanan akong gigahinan og oras, tanan akong vacation leave for that very important event in our family. It is not only a reunion, but also a meeting to resolve family issues. After the Mass, followed sa gamay nga kanang kaon-kaon, the most awaited part is kanang mangimbitar siya nga magsuroy-suroy mi. Nya siya ginay mo drive, murara baghinay kay mo padagan, perter ba yung kusuga, sumabaw mig pangupot. Nya 80 na ang iyang edad, nya naana gyapon ang speed niya. Nya syempre adto mis mga tourist spots. As far as I remember, nalibot namo ang tibuok nga Bohol tungod sa iyang mga plano. Adto pa mig mga beaches nila ay mga SVD o kato mga friends niya nga dagko sad og kanang mga beach resort sa Bohol. After sa suroy-suroy, the following day, balik na siya sa balay kay manghatag na po na siyang pinaskuhan niya. Perti na po na mong aligriha kay naman may mga programs ginagmay. Father, daghan kayong salamat sa mga panahon nga nakauban ka namo. Sa panahon sa kasaulugan sa imong adlaw na tawhan, nga dinhing lugara sa SVD residences, permi minimong giimbitar, kauban nila, mga pari, ug uban pa mga bisita niya nga mga VIP sa Cebu City. Physically, dili na namo siya makauban, but in our hearts, you'll always be our Padre Mar. Father in heaven, let your holy angels and saints to accompany him to the journey towards your kingdom, and let your perpetual light shine upon him, and may he rest in peace.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. I'm Maurice, Father Mar's great-grand-niece. So, last December 5, we lost a great-grand-uncle, a mentor, an inspiration, and a spiritual advisor. But we live on knowing that he would want and expect nothing less from us whom he has left behind. Father Mar was the younger brother of our great-grandmother. As our great-grandfather died early on, we have always looked up to him for the role. Growing up, we always looked forward not just to Christmas, but what comes after, the Sagrada Familia. It was his devotion, you see, and so he also made it ours. Ever since we can remember, every first Sunday after Christmas, we got together on my mother's side so that every generation will meet and be updated as to the new members of the family, spouses and children. We played games, sang songs, shared food, and most of all, we heard a mass together as a very, very large family led by Father Mar himself. Back when the food choices were limited to the various necessities in Bohol, he brought us food. We would always remember lining up for a Fuji apple, some chocolates, toys, crispy 20-peso bills, and a pat on the head. Father Mar was like a Santa to us, with his towering height and hearty laugh. Whenever we came here in Cebu, he always had a place for us, back in USC downtown and even here in SVD residence. I remember always looking forward to the delicious food served in the SVD residence. Thank you, fathers. And what's more, Father Mar would also give us pocket money or gift certificates that we can use in the mall. Now that the kids of old have their own families or have started to make one, we are always reminded to keep the tradition of family, faith, and prayers going. We are reminded to cherish the life we lead with the ones we love and to honor God in all that we do, because only then we will be able to face Him at the end of our days. Doing good unto others is good, but it is doing good for family and have each member do good in return is the best reward. We will miss you, Father Mar. Christmas won't be the same without you. Please watch over us, that God may continue to bless our family, that our tradition of the Sagrada Familia will live on, and that most importantly, as we grow older, that we may be able to live meaningfully and pass on to the children and the next generation the same values and beliefs we hold so dear. Rest in peace, Father. We love you. On behalf of our family, we are grateful to everyone who shared in our grief and supported us in this time of sorrow. To say goodbye to a loved one is never easy, so we are deeply grateful for your comfort. Keep Father Mar in your thoughts and prayers, as well as the kindness, lessons, and love he shared in his lifetime. His life was truly well lived. Again, thank you very much.